In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Facebook. Hello, this is Roy from The Lap Life, and if you find this video helpful, please like this video below and subscribe to the channel for more how-to videos on social media. So we're going to be starting from the main Facebook homepage. So go to facebook.com, and this is exactly where it's going to land you. It's going to land you at your timeline. So all we're going to need to do is over here on the left-hand side of the screen, you're going to want to click on your profile. It's got your profile picture next to it. Click that. And this is your profile. We're going to go to Friends here. Just click on Friends. And then what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to scroll down and find which friend that you want to block. You can either scroll down to find them, or you can search them in the search box. So you can go ahead and do that. And once you find that friend, there's a couple ways that you can do this. Now on the desktop version, you can hover over them and click these three little dots here and click block. You can do that, or you can do it this way. This is the way you'll be doing it on mobile. So you would click on their name, and you will get their profile. From their profile here, you will need to click on these three dots. Tap these three dots in their profile. So we're going to go ahead and click that, and then just click block. Okay, and it says this person will no longer be able to see your posts on your timeline. They will not be able to tag you. They will not be able to invite you to events or groups. They won't be able to message you, and they won't be able to add you as a friend. It says if you're friends, blocking this person will also unfriend him. If you want to limit what you can share with whoever this is or see less of them on Facebook, you can take a break from him instead. I'm not going to cover that right now. That's on another video. But for now, we're just going to hit confirm to block him. Okay. And this is your blocking. It takes you straight to your manage block. And it says once you block someone, that person can no longer see things that you post on your timeline. They can't tag you, invite you to events or groups, start a conversation with you, or add you as a friend. Note, this does not include apps, games, or groups that you both participate in. So, and you have the option to unblock them here if you made a mistake, or you just want to come back to it later and unblock. You can find that in settings and right here under blocking. So I hope you found this video helpful to you. If you did, please like the video below and subscribe to the channel for more how-to videos on social media. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.